Hello, hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm sharing a very simple ground beef recipe. Hope you love it and enjoy it. So to begin with, heat your pan and then add some vegetable cooking oil to it. When the oil is ready, add one medium-sized red onion to the pan and fry for about a minute. Add the ground beef to the pan and then we are going to cook it together with the onions until it breaks down. This recipe is a quick dinner fix because it's just a few minutes away from the table, and it also tastes fantastic any way you serve it. As you can see, it has started to brown, so we have to fry it until it browns and breaks down a little more. When the meat changes color, add the fresh vegetables and fry for about 1 minute. For the vegetables, I've used green bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and also some carrots. Then I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients, and I've used paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, coriander, and curry powder, and also add some salt. Stir properly and make sure all the spices and all the ingredients blend in very well with the ground beef. Our ground beef looks yummy already before I even finish cooking it. So now I've just added some tomato paste and I'm going to mix it very well with the ground beef until it dissolves together with everything else. Subscribe to my kitchen by Nana if you haven't yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, comments about this specific recipe. I also have different beef recipes that I'm going to link down below in the description box. After cooking the ground beef for about 2 minutes, add some water to it and let it cook for more 3 minutes and it will be ready. Just give it time and let it cook on slow heat so that it comes out very tasty. We want our sauce to be very nice and tasty, and you can have this ground beef with spaghetti, but white rice tastes very nice with this minced meat. Don't forget to try out this recipe. Trust me, it comes out very nice and delicious. Thank you for watching the video.